Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Nathan Hall and this is the Gadgets and Greatness channel. Thanks for coming back and joining us. As usual, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down and tell me why you gave me a thumbs down in the comments. Let's talk about it. Hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you're notified when new videos are posted. If you're new, welcome. I hope you like what you see. If you like looking at gadgets, tech on a budget, and discussions of greatness, you've come to the right place. Today, we are looking at the KZ AS06 in-ear monitors. These have 6 drivers, 3 in each ear, 3 balanced armature in each ear. Now, the last time you looked at a pair of in-ear monitors, we looked at the TRN V80s right here. I'll put a card up there so you can watch that video. Now, these were the quad drivers in each ear, and I tell you, those blew me away. I gave those a 5 out of 5. They were by far one of the best sounding in-ear monitors I've ever heard in a budget range. Now, I'll put the link below for these down in the comments. These ran me right around 40 bucks or so. They're less than 50. And I bought these with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to bring to you the value of what you can get at a budget price. So I'm excited to look at these. I'm hoping that they are comparable, if not better, than the TRN V80s that we looked at before. So let's take a look real quick what comes in the box. I like that presentation. Check that out. It has on there 6. What does that say? 6 balanced armature. All right, let's take that out. All right. Put those to the side. What we get in the box? Take this stuff out. Boom. Usually the typical stuff, right? So we've got the KZ AS06 directions, features. Take a look at that. The features are listed here. You want to take a screenshot so you can see those features. There they go. This is the non-mic version, so we'll ignore those mic instructions and details. Quality sticker lets you know that it was checked by the quality department. Gotta love it. What do we got in here? Oops, I'm gonna tear it so bad. So we got a few sets of ear tips, or a couple sets of ear tips, replacement tips. Large and small, or medium and small. This is going to be your cable. Ooh, this is nice. Like the TRN V80s, you've got this curved portion that goes over the ear, and it's flexible. It's not set in place. It's not something that you can position or modify. It just kind of, you can just put it over your ear, keep it in place, just like the TRN V80s. I like this braided cord. It's nice. Very sturdy cord. I like that. And there's a 3.5mm jack. Has the KZ branding on it. Wonderful. Alright, we're going to put that to the side. And the drivers themselves. Earbuds. 6 units balanced armature earphone. I'm excited to hear how those sound. How do you get that off? Let me see. Maybe just push them down through here. Yep, you push them down through there. Gotta be careful, you don't want to break anything, right? So they come with a pair of tips on them already, so you've got 3 included tips with this device. Now I wish these came with a carrying case. That'd be nice. Even just a small cloth carrying case would be nice. Alright, there we go. Look at these. Wow, those are nice. Check those out. 6 balanced armature right there on the earbuds themselves. Now they're a little larger than, hear me just do a quick size comparison to the TRN V80s. These are just a little bit larger. They remind me of the professional musician style in-ear monitors. They tend to be a little bit larger, so they get a good fit in your ear. TRNs fit quite well, create a nice noise seal isolation. looking forward to seeing how these do. So we've got them unboxed. Right there it says AS06 left, AS06 right, so you know which ear goes where. And then there's also the left and right indicator down here. See, that says right. And that one says, you see the L, left. Very good. All right, so basically with these, you just have to insert the cord into the drivers themselves. So let's go ahead and get that hooked up. Well, these are marked left and right as well. Let's see. Yep, they are. That one says R. You see that? So we match up the right to the right. Stick that in there like that. These always make me nervous because they're such a tight fit. You want to break them. There we go. Good. It's a nice tight fit. I understand that if you don't like the cables that come with the device, you can always opt to order a different style cable. Maybe one that's a little more durable for your tastes. But it looks like these should be okay. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to pause this video, hook them up to my LG V40, and give them a listen. I'll let you know what I think. I'll be right back. Okay, I ran the headphones through my Apple Music playlist. I'll put the link down below for the music that I use to test headphones with. And you should be able to find those on Spotify if you don't use Apple Music. I'm sure these songs are available on most musical platforms. But anyway, I tried those headphones out, and I have to say I was pretty impressed with the sound. Now, with the 3 balanced armatures, I can tell that they're going for a mixture of highs, lows, and mids. Compared to the V40s, which were really more immersive and gave you a little bit more at the top end, the AS06 headphones kind of don't tackle that top end as much as the V40s do. But at the same time, you're getting overall very well balanced sound on all the spectrums. I wish they had a little bit more separation in the spectrum so that you can kind of identify each area a little bit better. But you know, for $40, but you know the V40s are $40 as well. For $40 with 3 drivers in each earpiece, I think you're doing quite well. Having used this playlist, I would say these earphones favor music that has vocals and something that doesn't have a whole lot of bass. I noticed at some songs that were strong with bass and vocals at the same time, there was a little bit of rattling in the ear that is not present on those V40s. But overall, I'm going to give these a 4 out of 5. I just wish there was a little bit more separation in the sound spectrum that gives you more of an immersive experience with listening, a little bit more area experience. Sounds like sometimes the highs and mids kind of mesh together and get a little bit muddied. The bass is there. It's not punchy, but it's there. I wish that the bass is a little bit more punchy and more natural. It seems like the bass is a little bit more processed in these earphones than they need to be. But I'll tell you, this is a good buy for $40. I double checked the price, and yep, they've got them on Amazon for $40. They've only got a few left, so if you want these, you better jump on them. 6 armature, balanced armature drivers in each ear, well, not in each, 3 in each earpiece, 6 total. If you like those, pick them up. Let me know in the comments. Do you have these? Let me know what you think about them. Are you thinking about getting these? I think we're going to review the KZ AS or Z10s next. I hear those are phenomenal. A little bit more money though. So I'll let you know when we get those, and we'll try those out. But for now, these are the KZ AS06. Get them on Amazon for $40, and I think you'll be impressed. Good budget earphones. All right, till next time, guys. Take care and be great.